Rhythmic ticking in your bathroom wall after using a plunger could mean you've got trapped air or a loose pipe inside the wall, and figuring it out early can save you a ton of stress and cash. So, first thing, don't freak out. It's honestly more common than you think, especially after using a plunger hard. That vacuum pressure can shake things up behind the scenes, like loosening a support bracket or letting air pockets get stuck in the pipes. If it's a steady ticking, you might be hearing a copper pipe expanding or contracting as hot or cold water moves through. Try running cold and then hot water in all the fixtures for 2 to 3 minutes to see if the ticking slows down or stops. Sometimes flushing the system helps push out any trapped air. Also, check if the ticking lines up with your water heater cycling or if it happens after using hot water. If so, it's probably thermal expansion from the pipes rubbing against wood or metal studs. Grab your phone and record the sound. If you need to call a plumber, this helps a ton. If you're comfortable, use your knuckles to tap along the wall and see if you can pinpoint exactly where the noise is loudest. This might tell you where the loose pipe or bracket is hiding. If you notice any warmth on the wall or it gets worse when you use certain fixtures, take note, those are solid clues for a pro. One of the most common mistakes people make with rhythmic ticking in bathroom walls is ignoring it for weeks, which can lead to bigger plumbing issues or even water damage. Another big mistake is tearing open the wall without figuring out if it's actually a plumbing issue. Sometimes it's just normal expansion from temperature changes. A third issue is assuming there's no leak just because you don't see water. Small leaks can hide behind drywall and cause mold or rot without obvious signs. To fix these, always listen closely and note if the sound changes with water use. Get a moisture meter from a hardware store to check for hidden wet spots. And don't be afraid to call a licensed plumber if things don't improve in a day or two. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local pros who actually know their stuff, making it easy for you to find someone who can track down mysterious noises without breaking your bank. Contractors also love it because they get real jobs from real people, not just random leads that go nowhere.